Hello friends, today I will show you how to calculate a new price of any product with a certain percentage of having price reduction or hike for that particular product. So if you want to know how it exactly is possible in Excel, then please watch this video till end. Hi friends, I am Suraj Kumar. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Excel.Online Edutech. Keep learning forever. Here you can get content related to MS Office, especially Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. Also, other softwares which will be beneficial for you to perform easy in your professional activities, and also you can expand your knowledge related to technology and fundamental of computers. So I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon that you can get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. So watch the video till end, and yes, please don't forget to like and share with your friends. So here I opened my Excel sheet with some examples, and I'll show you how I reduce all prices by a certain percent of particular product. So friends, here we are on our sheet having data feeded already. You can see here that all prices in a price list, this is the price list, and all prices in the price list have to be reduced by a certain percentage. The amount of the price reduction is, suppose we take it as 10%, and then we'll type it in cell C1. And before implementing the formula to know the new price, here I want to say you something about formatting the cells. The price reduction cell where I have written 10 should be formatted as percentage. It should be 10%. After that, the old price cells should be and also the new price cell should be formatted as currency. You can see here it is the list of product in column A. In column B we have old prices, and in column C we will see how it will change with the new prices. So to know the new prices after the price reduction, we'll press here the formula, we'll press here -10 because it is a price reduction. So we'll press here now a formula, we'll select equal to, we'll select this cell, it will be added to this cell multiplied by the percentage of reduction approved, and it will be locked by pressing F4. Then we'll close the bracket, press the enter. So here it is, new price after price reduction of 10%. You can implement the formula by double typing here, or you can simply do it by dragging it. Or the third thing you can do is you just select all the cell where you want to implement the formula, and then you type the same formula. So select this cell, will be added with the same cell again after opening bracket, and then it will be multiplied by percentage of in price reduction, and it will be locked by pressing F4. Then we will press bracket close button, and after that, when our formula is ready, we will not press enter, we will press Ctrl plus enter. Listen carefully guys, we will press Ctrl plus enter. Then our formula, you can see it is implemented in all of our list at once. So here I told you to implement formula also. This is separate part of today's video. You can say a bonus part of today's video, that how you can implement any formula in Excel by 3 methods. Either you type the formula or drag it by moving cursor down to end of the list, or you enter the formula, double tap on the corner of your cell where you can find plus icon, or you first select your all cell and then press Ctrl Enter after having completion of your formula. So friends, today you see price reduction. If suppose a product is being reduced by its price for a certain percentage, then you can use this formula to know the new price. Suppose here the condition changed and you have to hike the price, we have suggested to hike the price, then we will just have to do a thing. We will type here, remove the minus sign, and it will get a price hike. You press here 10 and you press enter. You can see the new hike price is here. So thank you friends for watching the video. Okay, keep watching. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.